Hello, welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue south on Interstate 49, beginning in the city of Greenland, Arkansas at mile marker 58. Now that we're into the Boston Mountains, there are few exits and cities along this stretch of road. We enter the small city of West Fork, which lies mostly to the east of I-49 along U.S. Highway 71. West Fork incorporated as a city back in 1885 and had an estimated population of 2,655 as of 2019. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. It can help our channel. Here we see the twin-bore Bobby Hopper Tunnel. This portion of I-49 was first approved in 1987 and completed in 1999 to bypass a perilous section of US 71 through the Ozark Plateau. An unnamed 1,800-foot peak was an obstacle in the path of I-49, and the tunnels were the solution. The tunnels lie at 1,640 feet above sea level. The tunnels are each 1,599 feet long, 38 feet wide, and 25 feet tall. Bobby Hopper, the tunnel's namesake, was a member, the chairman of the Arkansas Highway Commission from 1989 up until a week after the opening of the tunnel and interstate. We enter Crawford County, formed back in 1820 and named for William H. Crawford, the United States Secretary of War at the time. The southern border of the county is the Arkansas River, placing the extreme southern edge of the county in the Arkansas River Valley. Crawford County had an estimated population of 63,257 as of 2019. As a dry county, alcohol sales are generally prohibited, though recent changes to county law provide for some exceptions. We conclude today's video at mile marker 35. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. And if you like this video, please give us a like, post a comment, subscribe, share, and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.